YAFPRO. Protocol Unifying and Anti-Aging Treatment. Normal to oily skin. Phase 2 from 6 to 8 weeks. In the second catalytic stage, there will be an addition of one product in addition to the basic group that was traded in the first stage. Vitaline Cream. Morning routine. Every morning, clean the face with the cleansing foam. Apply the Matrix Lift Serum on the entire face including the eyes area. Use the regenerating eye cream, generously paying particular attention to the crow's feet. Apply the Hydractive Day Cream over the entire face and neck. In case of dryness, you can renew the application several times a day according to your needs. In case of daily exposure to the sun, use the Sun Protection Day Long 50+ by applying it on the Hydractive Day Cream over the entire face and neck. Please do not overuse night creams on the shaving area. Day 1 and 2. Cleansing Foam. Regenerating Eye Cream. Activator Concentrate Solution. Day 3. Cleansing Foam. Regenerating Eye Cream. Matrix Lift Serum. Hydractive Cream. Apply the Vitaline Cream in a thick layer on the entire face and neck. Day 4 and 5. Cleansing Foam. Regenerating Eye Cream. Activator Concentrate Solution. Day 6 and 7. Cleansing Foam. Regenerating Eye Cream. Matrix Lift Serum. Apply the Vitaline Cream in a thick layer on the entire face and neck. We'd like to draw your attention to the fact that areas exposed to shaving on a daily basis, particularly the area around the mouth, are extremely sensitive to evening stimulation and react quickly, so please respect the privacy of this area and isolate it well, especially the outer corners of the mouth. To isolate the outside corners of the lips, apply the same restorer you used for the eye contour. When the skin feels dry, especially at the start of the treatment, it's a good idea to use the moisturizing cream again throughout the day, as this will help to rebuild the skin's immunity and allow it to interact easily with the nighttime treatment. The concentrated liquid is a powerful therapeutic solution that plays a large role in activating the evening treatment, so you should always be aware of any secondary complications, such as redness and exaggerated peeling on any area of the face, which is quite common, especially at the start of the treatment, so it is best to avoid the area. The reaction is applied locally for a couple of days, 2 to 3 days, until the damage is totally repaired.